Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unboxing of Claire's new Canon Rebel. Here's Claire. Say hi to the audience out in TV land.
Hello, internet viewers.
Okay. When we come back after this commercial, Claire will unbox the camera.
What do I start with?
Grab your camera.
Oh my gosh. I get the box. Bubble wrap.
Ooh. Ah. You know what you're doing?
To a certain extent. I don't know if okay. So this one, it does have the dots. I believe I can set it in there straight.
Don't break it.
There we go. The click. Yes! Oh my gosh. Alright.
Notice the excitement on her face?
Alright. My battery charger. And the batteries.
Yes, you're going to want that battery charger. Very expensive. You're going to want to put that camera battery in the camera.
Right away?
See if it has any juice. See if it has any juice. It usually goes in the bottom. Don't break it. Don't break it.
Oh, it's like a well-oiled machine. All the little clicks. Alright. Oh, there's my...
Now you won't need those right away.
Nope.
We're going to want to put the strap on the camera though.
Be a good idea. Duly noted. Oh, this could take a while.
We'll come back with the strap on the camera.
Yes. I didn't have to open the instruction book for this.
Little Miss Big Shot now. I didn't need the instruction book for this.
Me? 27 is not 2009. It was 2010.
It's 2011.
Yeah, I said it right. I was trying to figure out what time it was.
I'll tell you what time it is.
What time is it?
Time for you to get reading that manual.
Oh, burn. Think I might need an ambulance.
Alright,
SIM
now we have to get the SD card. We have the SanDisk 4 gig. Very nice. You want a scissors? Might make it a little easier. How about a scissors?
Yeah. I'm gonna go with the scissors.
Make sure we get the scissor pass in the set, in the frame.
Yeah.
It says you have a card now.
Oh yeah.
And is the little dial up top set to full auto?
Yep.
Alright, look into the lens, and you have your lens cap off, and you take your first picture ever.
I have such exciting subject matter. Oh my gosh.
Your first picture ever.
Flash. Yeah.
What did you take a picture of?
Some literature.
Ah.
These are gonna be the strangest shots ever.
Your first 3 pictures.
Okay. I think that's good.
Okay, we'll be
For the
back.
rest of the packaging?
Okay. Well, you want to go right to the flash attachment?
Indeed.
We have
Indubitably.
the Canon 580 EX2.
You gotta get the spiffy zoom and zoom out in there, didn't you, Dominic?
Yes, of course. And the unboxing continues. The manual.
They bent it.
Manual, which will never get read. No, I bet you'll be studying it, making notes.
You got blood there.
Ooh, we've got blood. Uh-oh, injury.
We drew blood.
From the flash box? Did you cut yourself on
It
the...
was when I ripped the SIM card.
And then you needed scissors.
Oh, it's a nice case. Cases.
I definitely need to get a wide-angle adapter for this video camera. It'd be very helpful to have the wide-angle adapter. Oh, look at that. Isn't that spectacular? The top-of-the-line Canon flash. The best they make. The cream of the crop. Don't break it.
I'm not going to. I'm seeing how it works.
Your batteries go in the side. And we have batteries right here, which you're going to go through a lot of those.
Does this slide forward or back?
You have it on backwards. The screen
yeah, that's
faces
true.
you. The screen faces you.
That makes a lot more sense. Aha.
And there should be a little locking mechanism that
Got it.
is locked in place. You want to use your button on the side of the middle of the flash there to tilt the, you could tilt it like that or wherever you want to tilt it, aim it. But
With a flash.
right now you're going to get it right in my eyes.
Perfect. Let's do that.
Did you turn it on?
No.
It works better if you turn it on.
Cool. Oh, that was a good one, bouncing it off the ceiling. I think this is one sexy piece of equipment. And I'm not talking about me. Oh, I can't wait to get out and take pictures.
And
I feel like I should say something profound, but I think I'm honestly just still stunned that this is all actually mine. Time to get the big guns out.